Throughout this guide, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of starting a successful side hustle. So get ready to roll up your sleeves and let's get started on turning your side hustle dreams into reality. Identifying your skills and interests. Identifying your skills and interests is the foundation of starting a successful side hustle. It's essential to choose a side hustle that aligns with your passions and talents so that you can enjoy the process and excel at it. But where do you even begin when it comes to identifying your skills and interests? Here are a few exercises that can help. Reflect on your past experiences. Think back to jobs, hobbies, and volunteer work you've done in the past. What did you enjoy most about them? What skills did you use? What accomplishments are you most proud of? These experiences can provide valuable clues about your skills and interests. Take a personality test. There are numerous online personality tests, such as Myers-Briggs and StrengthsFinder, that can provide insight into your natural inclinations and strengths. Brainstorm a list of potential side hustles. Write down a list of potential side hustles that interest you. It can be anything from pet, sitting to tutoring, to photography. Once you have your list, you can research each one to see if it's a viable option. Ask for feedback. Sometimes it's hard to see our own strengths and interests. Ask friends, family, and colleagues what they think you're good at. They may see things in you that you don't. Now that you've identified your skills and interests, it's time to explore the different types of side hustles that are available. You could be a freelance writer, graphic designer, social media manager, tutor, personal trainer, or a pet sitter. The possibilities are endless. With the explosion of the gig economy, it's never been easier to turn your skills and interests into cash. In short, identifying your skills and interests is the first step in starting a side hustle that will not only bring in extra money, but also be something you enjoy doing. So take the time to reflect, research, and explore your options. You'll be on your way to starting a successful side hustle in no time. Planning and research. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Starting a side hustle is exciting, but it's important not to jump in head first without proper planning and research. This may seem like a tedious step, but it's crucial for the success of your side hustle. First, let's talk about market research. This is the process of gathering information about your target market, competitors, and industry. It will help you determine the demand for your product or service and identify potential challenges. One way to conduct market research is to survey potential customers. Ask them about their needs, pain points, and what they're currently using to solve those problems. This will give you valuable insights into what your target market is looking for and how you can position your side hustle to meet those needs. Another way to conduct market research is to analyze your competitors. Look at what they're offering, their pricing, and their marketing strategies. This will give you an idea of what's already out there and what you can do differently to stand out. Once you've done your market research, it's time to create a business plan. A business plan is a roadmap that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It will serve as a guide for your side hustle and help you stay on track. Here are a few key elements to include in your business plan. Executive summary, a brief overview of your side hustle. Market analysis, information about your target market, competitors, and industry. Products and services, a description of what you're offering. Marketing and sales, a plan for how you'll promote and sell your products or services. Financial projections, an estimate of your projected income and expenses. One more thing. Don't overlook the importance of a budget. It's important to keep track of your income and expenses to make sure you're operating at a profit. A budget will help you make financial decisions and plan for the future. In conclusion, planning and research are essential steps in starting a successful side hustle. By conducting market research, creating a business plan, and budgeting, you'll be setting yourself up for success. So don't skip these steps. Take the time to plan and research, and you'll be on your way to turning your side hustle into a profitable venture. Setting up your side hustle. Setting up your side hustle can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With a little bit of preparation, you can get your business up and running in no time. First, Let's talk about registering your business. This step will vary depending on where you live, but generally you'll need to choose a business name and register it with your state or local government. You'll also need to determine what type of business structure you want to have, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Each structure has its own set of legal and tax implications, so it's important to do your research and choose the one that's right for you. Next, you'll need to obtain any necessary licenses and permits. These requirements vary by state and industry, but you can usually find information on the website of your state's business regulatory agency. After you have registered your business and obtained any necessary licenses and permits, you'll need to set up your financial accounts. This includes setting up a business bank account and getting a business credit card. This will help you keep your business and personal finances separate, which will make it easier for you to track your income and expenses. Another important step is to set up a payment system for your customers. Whether it's PayPal, Square, or Stripe, you'll need a way for customers to pay you. Finally, you'll need to set up your business infrastructure. This can include everything from a website to a customer relationship management system. You don't need to have everything in place right away, but it's important to have a plan in place for what you'll need as your business grows. In conclusion, setting up your side hustle may seem daunting, but with a little bit of preparation and organization, you can get your business up and running quickly. Remember to register your business, obtain any necessary licenses and permits, set up your financial accounts, establish a payment system, and plan for your business infrastructure. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to turning your side hustle into a thriving business. Marketing and promotion. Marketing and promotion are critical components of any successful side hustle.
After all, if people don't know about your business, they can't buy from you. But where do you even begin when it comes to marketing and promoting your side hustle?
First, let's talk about your branding. Your brand is the personality of your business, and it's what sets you apart from your competitors. It includes your business name, logo, colors, and messaging. Make sure that your branding is consistent across all of your marketing materials, from your website to your social media profiles. Next, you'll need to establish a presence on social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are great ways to connect with potential customers and promote your business. Make sure to post regularly and engage with your followers. You can also use social media to run promotions and contests to generate buzz about your side hustle. Another way to promote your side hustle is to network. Attend local business events, join a business association or chamber of commerce, and get involved in your community. Networking can help you make valuable connections and find new customers. You can also consider running online or offline ads, or working with influencers to promote your side hustle. Finally, don't forget the power of word of mouth. Encourage satisfied customers to tell their friends and family about your business. You can also offer referral bonuses to incentivize them. In conclusion, marketing and promotion are essential for the success of your side hustle. By creating a strong brand, establishing a presence on social media, networking, and leveraging different methods of advertisement, you can get the word out about your business and attract new customers. Remember, the key to successful marketing and promotion is to be consistent and creative and always be open to trying new things. Balancing your side hustle with your full-time job. Starting a side hustle while working a full-time job can be a great way to make extra money, but it can also be a challenge to balance the two. It's important to find a balance that works for you so that you don't burn out. First, set clear boundaries. Decide when you'll work on your side hustle and when you'll focus on your full-time job. It's important to separate your work and personal life as much as possible. Next, make a schedule and stick to it. Plan out your time and prioritize your tasks. This will help you stay on track and make the most of the time you have. Another important step is to set realistic goals. Be honest with yourself about what you can accomplish and set realistic deadlines. This will help you avoid feeling overwhelmed and ensure that you make steady progress. Take advantage of your free time. You can use the evenings or weekends to work on your side hustle. This way, you can focus on your full-time job during the day and still make time for your side hustle. You should also be aware of your energy levels and take breaks when you need them. It's important to take care of yourself and avoid burnout. Lastly, don't be afraid to ask for help. You don't have to do everything on your own. Ask friends and family for help or outsource tasks that you don't have time for. In conclusion, balancing a side hustle with a full-time job can be challenging, but it's not impossible. By setting clear boundaries, making a schedule, setting realistic goals, taking advantage of your free time, being aware of your energy levels, and asking for help, you can successfully navigate the balancing act and turn your side hustle into a profitable venture. Remember, the key is to find a balance that works for you and stick to it. We've come to the end of our journey on how to start a side hustle and make extra money. We've covered a lot of ground, from identifying your skills and interests to setting up your side hustle, from marketing and promotion to balancing your side hustle with your full-time job. Starting a side hustle can be a great way to make extra money, but it's not always easy. It takes planning, research, hard work, and dedication. But with the right approach, you can turn your side hustle into a profitable venture. As you embark on your side hustle journey, remember to stay focused on your goals, stay organized, and stay motivated. And don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. You never know where your side hustle might take you. In conclusion, starting a side hustle can be a great way to make extra money, but it's important to approach it in a thoughtful and strategic way. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can increase your chances of success. So take the time to reflect, research, and plan, and don't be afraid to take action. With a bit of hard work and determination, you can turn your side hustle into a profitable venture that you love. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebook. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.